friends. This is Nitesh Kumar Biradar. Welcome to my channel. Kindly like, share and subscribe it. In this video, I am going to tell you about how you can use the Zoom app for your online classes or online meeting or conferences. Now this is your mobile screen and just go to the Zoom app. When you open the Zoom app, if you have already signed in, your name will display like this, Nitesh Kumar Biradar. I have already signed in. If you not been signed in, just use sign in. If you want to host any meeting or class, so once you sign in, you will be getting option whether you want to sign in by Facebook or by Google. So just choose Google or Facebook, provide your user name and password, and thereafter when you will get this screen, you can start a new meeting by clicking on new meeting. And if you want to join any meeting hosted by others, so you can click on join. So by providing meeting ID, you can click on join button to join the meetings. Okay, and if you want to host any meeting or online classes, you can schedule your online classes by this third option, schedule. When you click on the third option, schedule, you can schedule a meeting. So you can provide a Zoom meeting name. For example, I want to conduct a web technologies classes. Okay, so now I will type this. I will fix the date, on which date. Okay, the 1st of October 20, or on which day, and preferably the timing also, from and to. Okay, so you can set 45 minutes of class, so I will set a timing also 3 to. Now what the message is going to display here, you can schedule your plan for only 40-minute time limit. Okay, so what you can do is you just click OK. You can schedule it for 40 minutes. Okay, and again GMT is there, repeat is there. This is your personal meeting ID. Okay, so you can use this also. Okay, so if this option is enabled, any meeting option that you change here will be applied to all meeting that you use your personal meeting ID. Okay, requires meeting passcode. So the already passcode is SVDC123. I have already gave it. Okay, and directly you want to make everyone to join, so just disable it. Okay, otherwise you want to add the contestant or your students, then just enable the waiting room. Okay, so these are the some of the option. Okay, just click on done. Now your meeting is scheduled. Okay, so you can add invitees via Gmail or Outlook. How you want to invite? Via Gmail. Okay, so if you go to Gmail, the entire, you can see the entire passcode, schedule, everything is there. Okay, so you can just copy this entire text. Okay, just copy this and just go to WhatsApp, to whom you want to conduct, to share this information with that group. Just I am sending to one of my colleague. Okay, just paste it, save it, send it. Okay, by clicking on this join Zoom meeting link, the students or so meeting ID will be by default there, and passcode has to be provided by invitee SVDC123. Okay, so in this way you can conduct the online classes and your student can attend online classes. You can host the meeting. So this is how you can schedule the meeting. Okay, so this is the scheduling. And even after scheduling also, if you want to make any changes, okay, just go to edit option and you can make the changes. Okay, from here also, just now only you can start it. Otherwise there is an option called invite. Okay, so there are some of the add invitees via Gmail, Outlook, Messages, Truecaller, and copy to clipboard. If you click on copy to clipboard also, your entire information is copied. Okay, now for example I will share this link with one of my other colleague. Okay, now you can see this kind of information. Nitesh Kumar Biradar is inviting you to schedule a Zoom meeting. Okay, the topic is web technologies, time is 1st October 2020, 3 p.m. Okay, join Zoom meeting by clicking this. Okay, so like this you can pass the information to your respective groups and your students, colleagues can join this meeting. Okay, so this is how you can conduct online Zoom meeting or online classes. Okay, and also there is a fourth option, share screen. So if you click this share screen, okay, so your meeting ID you need to enter and you can share it. Okay, so for conducting the online classes, this much is enough for you. Just go with this video. If you like, just click on like, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.